Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah. Twerking like Miley. Don't pop it like Miley.
Aivan mahtavaa päivää kaikille. Soholla Breakfastel Hollannin kanavalla tänään melustus taustalla teille Holmakkauksen vetämä MSR-muovi terminaalissa. Ei sen enempää tuosta gameplaystä, eli mennään tähän aiheeseen. Eli aiheena meillä on tää Holland-klaani esittely. Eli Holland-klaani on näin pulvut sitten perustettu Konstantin kautta Sliku-klaani, jonka liiderin toimii Makkeus. Tälle kanavalle tulee joka viikko video ja sitten useammin kuin Makkeus saa rekordin. Mutta ei mulla muuta tästä aiheesta. Supatkaa ja tykätkää, koska se antaa meille oikeasti tosi paljon motivaatiota näihin videoihin. Ottakaa kommenttiin myös, miten haluaisitte nähdä seuraavaksi. Muistakaa myös käydä suvaamassa mun kanavaa, jos teitä kiinnostaa. Mä laitan sen linkin deskiin. Mutta ei mulla muuta. Mä laitan tähän loppuun varmaan jotain musiikkia. Hyvää päivää kaikille.
Now get closer, I can feel her eyes touch fires in your hours on divine stuff. Making mad pictures in confinement. Pinnacles align and force arises. Magic in the flames of your mindset. You can feel the vibe get crazy when your eyes get lazy. Naked in the flames, sucking on your minuscule pictures of the pretty kids and fucking up the city shit, enveloping the millions. Acting like a give a fuck, put your fucking fingers up. Love is all I know. Pocket full of fucks making heads roll. You could sleep dead though, sleeping on your pension. Dancing on your death with your restful intentions. 6 or 5 vibes all pretty when I dive off. Metal in my mouth, now let me breathe deeper. You could be the creature that I love, but my head says fuck you. Africa will burn, but love spills deep. Blood inside the cracks of my dust-filled feet. Making friends with my pain self. Ego death is real when you reach out. You can go to sleep now. Never chasing death, I'll make peace with the freaks. Pieces of the friends that I meet see me. Stand tall when I speak. 25 eyes, I'm alive when I ride off. 25 minds in Kampali. Beautiful and violent, still breathe deep. Magic in the flames that I keep. Close to the pain that I see. Crushed teeth. Pain is a pleasure, make peace. Pain is a pleasure, make peace.
Make bitches wet in the desert. Drink it up and toast a cup to Batman. Tendencies of chilling tales. Written in a fire pit, reflected in the iris of a spine tenant. Killing kings for diamonds. We travel deep into the desert. Most princesses will let me come closer. Let your hair down, hold it wide. Make you wet in the desert. Stretch in the desert. Straight sex in the desert. I'm a wreck for your pleasure, bitch. Test me. Recipe for gold flakes. Think about the future while the whole entire room shakes. Sip it up and hoping for a better shot at love. I'm sucking trouble fits. Your drunk fucks rubbing on your milk-filled tits. Milk equals water. Let me have it. I'm the thirstiest to glory on this damn sand planet. Trading spice for a life. I'm a villain on a tightrope. Sinners in this night know it's criminal. The bite flows. Riding on my pipe dreams. I can see the light while you were crying in your diapers. Fighting with my night chills. Looking in my bike. I could run away tonight and take control of my life still. I see him when I'm rapping and I know the globe will love him just as long as we can catch this. Fat kids rapping on an anxious beat. I fill my shoes with the memories and rap for free. Fill my shoes with the memories and rap for free.